This is a demonstration of how to get the best clarity and flavor with your Presto stainless steel coffee maker by using a round disc coffee ground filter. Begin by making sure the coffee maker and its parts are clean and dry. Fill the coffee maker with the desired amount of cold water. When placed in the percolator basket, these filters are designed to lay under and above the coffee grounds for secure brewing. Use the pre-punched center hole and insert the filter into the percolator basket. Add your coffee grounds to the filter. When doing so, place a finger over the basket's stem to prevent grounds from falling through. Use another round filter and place it over the center hole and on top of the coffee grounds. Cover the basket with the basket lid. While holding the tube, place the filled basket onto the perk tube. Put on the coffee maker cover, plug in the unit, and the coffee will be brewed. After brewing, carefully remove the basket and dispose of the filters and the grounds. For more information, visit gopresto.com.